Hello guys, I'm here at Brownsville Park. Right where I am, I can see the far end of the riverbank is New Westminster to the west, and where I'm standing right now is the riverbank that is within the city of Surrey. So pretty much this Fraser River is connected by these two bridges. To my left is the Skybridge that is used by the SkyTrain. This Skybridge was constructed in completed in the construction started in 1987 and it was completed in 1990 at a cost of about 28 million Canadian dollars. To my right side, this is the Patullo Bridge. This was completed in 1937 and it's still operational until now. But this 1.3 kilometer Patullo Bridge is slated to be replaced with a brand new bridge that is being constructed a few hundred meters upstream the river. So the new bridge that is going to replace this Patullo Bridge costs about 967 million US dollars, or about 1.3 to 1.4 billion Canadian dollars, and it expect to be completed and open to the public in the fall of 2023, or more or less about more than just a year from now. So today is the 4th of December 2022. So this Fraser is the most important river system here in British Columbia, Canada. Now you will hear the train crossing the Skybridge